One of the first questions people ask is, what can I actually get if I win my lemon law case? The goal of a successful claim is always to make you whole again. Depending on the case, this can come in a few different forms. The manufacturer is required to either A, buy the car back, B, replace it with a new one, or C, offer you a cash settlement. In a buyback, the manufacturer buys the vehicle back from you and terminates your loan or lease. You'll get a full refund of everything you paid towards the vehicle, including your down payment, lease or loan payments, sales tax, registration, licensing, and title fees. You'll also recover incidentals like towing costs or any car rental or rideshare expenses you may have paid while your car was in the shop, so hang on to those receipts. There may be a small usage deduction based on miles you drove before the first repair attempt, but generally you walk away with the majority of your money back. In a replacement, the manufacturer replaces your defective vehicle with a comparable new one of the same make, model, and features. There may still be a mileage offset, but the math is a lot simpler. With a cash settlement, you keep the car and the manufacturer cuts you a check for the trouble and how much you overpaid for the car's diminished value. This may be your preferred option as long as the defect is minor. The other thing to remember is that under lemon law, the manufacturer is responsible for paying attorney's fees. That means you can pursue a claim without needing to pay for representation out of pocket. No matter what your case looks like, Cronin Moss will help you figure out which outcome is best. They'll review your situation and make sure you maximize your recovery.